Hey, Brian from Rechargeable Hall. Today I have this automatic soap dispenser. So we're going to sit up here at our kitchen sink. Let's open up and see what we get inside. So you get the dispenser, set of instructions, user manual, and you do get some mounting brackets. So you can peel and stick and then mount that like onto a, if you had a high backsplash or something, you could do that. We're just going to let it sit on the counter. It has a USB cord that plugs into the back. It's a USB-C, and it does not come with a power block, so keep that in mind. We're just going to use one that we have here. And we're going to fill this up. So that is the hose. That is the fill compartment. And we are going to fill it up with some soap. Put it back on. We love using this to clean Revolution gallon size. And then we're going to put this in. Screw that down. Plug this in. Okay, so to turn it on, just basically hold that for 2 seconds, and then that's going to light up, and that indicates the amount of volume that's going to come out. To turn it off, you hold it, and then once they all light up, that means that it's off. So we'll turn it back on, and then a quick tap will go up on the amount of volume that you get. So let's go back to probably about 2. As you can tell, it already dispensed some, so let's wipe that up real quick. And then that is volume 2, how much you're going to get. And then that's 3. Give you kind of an idea. And then it's going to be, that's the 4th volume. So depending on how much soap that you need. But anyway, very cool. Very neat. Brian from Rechargeable Hall. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.